Hello everyone, let's make the hairstyles today. So for this one, take the sections of your hair, start with the help of a rubber band. Now take remaining hairs, braid it nicely and then pull it inside out 2 times as shown in the video. Now repeat the process on another side too. Now take remaining hairs, braid it and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the front section of your hair and divide into 2 parts. Now pull it inside out as shown in the video and then tie it with the help of a hair clip. Now take another section of your hair and repeat the whole process we have done earlier and repeat it's done. For the next one, take the front section of your hair and make 3 parts out of it and then start braiding it all upside down. Now start taking the smaller sections from the remaining hairs and keep adding it to the braid. It will look like this and then do the process and it's done. For this one, take the section of your hair, tie it and make it into 2 parts. Now pull it inside out and then repeat the process until it will start looking like this. Now braid the remaining hairs and attach it. It's done. For the next one, take your hairs all together, tie it and then divide into 2 parts. Now start braiding your hairs by taking the smaller sections out of it and then repeat the process. Now do the same process on another side too. Now roll it very nicely and attach it. It's done. For the next one, divide your hair into 2 parts and then make a knot out of it as shown in the video. Repeat the process until it will start looking like this. Now make it into 2 sections, attach it and it's all done. For the next one, make your hairs all together and then with the help of an elastic, start tying your hairs. It will look like this. Now pull it inside out very gently and then it will look like this. It's done. For this one, take the section of your hair, tie it and pull it inside out. Now take another section of your hair and do it as shown in the video. Repeat the process and it will look like this. It's done. Thanks for watching.